In the year 2025, Samsung continues to push the limits of what a tablet can be. From sleek elegance to raw performance, the best Samsung tablets blend mobility, productivity, and creativity into one compact device. Join me as we count down the top 5 best Samsung tablets available on Amazon in 2025. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE/FE Plus. That we highlight the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE and its larger sibling FE Plus. Samsung's refined Fan Edition tablets designed to bring flagship features to a more accessible mid-range price. Released in early 2025, they represent a thoughtful balance of premium features and cost efficiency. The Tab S10 FE features a 10.9-inch Super PLS LCD panel with a 90 Hz refresh rate, HDR support, and vibrant color reproduction. The FE Plus variant ups the ante with a 13.1-inch screen, offering more real estate for media and productivity tasks. In these models, Samsung includes the S Pen in the box, a longtime hallmark of Samsung tablets, so you don't need to purchase it separately. The device is run on the Exynos 1500 and Exynos 1500 Plus chipsets, delivering competent performance for typical use, multitasking, productivity apps, light gaming, and media consumption. They support up to 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM, depending on the configuration, and internal storage options of 128 or 256 gigabytes, with microSD expansion for added flexibility. Battery life aims to last a full day of use, aided by efficient LTE or Wi-Fi connectivity and optimized software. One appealing feature is that Samsung retained a microSD card slot, something many tablets omit, so users can expand storage without relying solely on cloud. In Amazon listings, the Tab S10 FE and FE Plus are often praised as best value Samsung tablets in 2025, delivering many flagship features at mid-tier budgets. Critics note that the LCD panel, while solid, cannot compete with the depth or contrast of AMOLED screens, and the refresh rate is lower than top-end models. Also, under intense workloads, thermal limits might slightly throttle performance. But for users seeking a balanced Samsung tablet with S Pen, decent display, and flexible storage, the Galaxy Tab S10 FE lineup earns its spot at number 5. It demonstrates that Samsung's design philosophy extends beyond just premium models. It includes accessible innovation. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Series. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Series, a refined and versatile line that continues to be a strong contender in 2025. The Tab S9 line includes multiple variants, typically an 11-inch base model, a Plus or Ultra variant with larger screens, and high-performance internals. These tablets are known for their AMOLED or dynamic AMOLED displays with vibrant color, deep blacks, and smooth motion at 120 Hz. They bring more premium features than the FE lineup, including more advanced processors and sometimes higher memory and storage options. The Tab S9 is built for a balance of power and portability. It supports Samsung DeX mode, transforming the tablet into a desktop-style environment when connected to a keyboard and external display. That makes it more than just a consumption device. It can act as a light laptop substitute. The S Pen continues to be included, with low latency and enhanced responsiveness ideal for note-taking, sketching, and creative tasks. As Samsung's tablet software matures, the synergy with Galaxy phones and ecosystem features, like seamless file transfer, app continuity, and shared clipboard, remains a big advantage. In user reviews on Amazon in 2025, the Galaxy Tab S9 is often lauded as the sweet spot for Samsung tablet users, powerful enough for serious tasks, yet sleek and portable for everyday use. Downsides include the fact that extreme workloads, like heavy 3D rendering or prolonged full-speed gaming, might push limits of thermal design, and that the top-end variants may carry high price tags. But for most creative professionals, students, and power users wanting a premium Samsung tablet that can double as a productivity hub, the Galaxy Tab S9 series delivers impressive balance and delivers enough to justify its placement. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus/Ultra. We spotlight the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and Ultra models, the flagship contenders that push excellence in display, performance, and versatility. These tablets are among Samsung's pinnacle entries in 2025. The Tab S10 Ultra typically features a spectacular 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a high refresh rate, HDR support, anti-reflective coating, and exceptional brightness. It delivers immersive visuals ideal for creators, media professionals, and power users. The Plus variant, slightly smaller but still substantial, around 12.4 inches, shares many of the hardware advantages of the Ultra model. Internally, these tablets often utilize the Dimensity 9000 chipset or equivalent high-end processors built on efficient fabrication nodes, delivering headroom for demanding applications, multitasking, and high frame rate content. Memory and storage configurations climb to higher values, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of internal storage in top variants. The inclusion of microSD slots maintains Samsung's flexibility for users who need expandable space. The S Pen in these models is optimized for low latency and includes extra features like air gestures or remote control functions. The devices support advanced Samsung DeX enhancements, enabling dual-screen setups, full desktop UI, drag-and-drop file sharing, multi-window tasking, and seamless transitions between tablet and laptop modes. Many Amazon reviewers in 2025 call these Samsung tablets viable laptop alternatives for many users, especially when paired with keyboards and docks. On the downside, due to larger displays and high performance, battery consumption is greater. Users may need to manage brightness or workload to get full-day battery life. Also, these premium models command high price tags, and the absolute top performance may be ahead of the capabilities of some current apps. Nonetheless, for creatives, professionals, and users demanding the best Samsung platforms, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus/Ultra models earn the number 3 slot. They embody Samsung's flagship vision, power, elegance, and ambition in one package. Number 2, Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. We elevate our countdown with the fresh launch of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 and S11 Ultra, Samsung's most advanced tablets in 2025. Announced with the latest One UI 8 and infused with Galaxy AI features, these models represent the cutting edge of what Samsung envisions for tablets. The S11 Ultra pushes boundaries with a stunning dynamic AMOLED 2X display of 14.6 inches, razor-thin bezels, and a high refresh rate, 120Hz. The base Tab S11 offers a compact alternative with an 11-inch screen, bringing flagship performance in a more portable form factor. Both models run on the Dimensity 9000 Plus processor, built on a 3nm process for efficiency and speed. Combined with enhanced thermal design, they handle multitasking, creative workloads, and pro applications with fluidity. Memory configurations in flagship models reach up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of UFS storage, with microSD expansion still supported. The S Pen is redesigned for improved ergonomics, tilt recognition, and magnetic attachment charging. On the software side, Galaxy AI features like Gemini Live, multimodal prompts, and smarter DeX modes push productivity and creativity to the next level. The latest DeX Extended mode allows dual-screen workflows across an external monitor and the tablet, with seamless drag and drop between them. In Amazon previews and early user reviews, the Tab S11 series earns praise for its combined hardware and software synergy. Some warn that, as with any cutting-edge device, the premium price and power draw under sustained load are trade-offs. But for most pro users, the advantages outweigh that. Because the Tab S11 and S11 Ultra bring next-generation vision, refined hardware, and deep creative tools, they occupy the number 2 slot. Nearly perfect, just short of the ultimate champion. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, or its evolved S11 Ultra version, the true flagship Samsung tablet of 2025. This device synthesizes every strength Samsung has built over years into one supreme tablet. Its marquee feature is the vast 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, which supports vibrant color, deep contrast, high brightness, and a silky 120Hz refresh rate. This screen isn't just for watching, it's for creating. With HDR10+ support, anti-reflective coating, and ultra-thin borders, it becomes a canvas for designers, filmmakers, and professionals. Under the hood, it runs the Dimensity 9000 Plus or next-generation equivalent chip, with robust cooling systems and optimized efficiency to power even demanding workloads. Top models feature up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of internal storage, accompanied by microSD slots for further expansion. The S Pen is refined to low latency, enhanced tilt control, and magnetic charging. Paired with the newest DeX features, the tablet can act as a full laptop replacement, supporting dual displays, multitasking, drag and drop, and fluid transitions. AI features integrated into One UI 8 bring productivity enhancements, smart transcription, prompt assistance, multitask automation, and contextual suggestions. Many reviewers on Amazon and tech outlets call the S10/S11 Ultra the tablet to beat in 2025, capable of substituting a laptop for many users. The only drawbacks are premium cost and battery trade-offs when pushing top performance continuously. But if you demand ultimate power, brilliance, and flexibility in a Samsung tablet, this is your champion. It deserves the #1 ranking, the flagship among flagships. And there you have it, the top 5 best Samsung tablets available on Amazon in 2025. Each one pushes Samsung's legacy further, whether through performance, display, stylus precision, or software innovation. From accessible FE models to flagship ultra powerhouses, these tablets are built to serve students, creators, professionals, and dreamers alike. Whichever model you choose, you're not just buying hardware. You're investing in a canvas, a productivity hub, a creative partner. Step into the future of mobile computing with confidence. Let your ideas shine. Let your vision lead.